so just recently I received this Waterfly Shaolin bag. Actually, the company I think is Waterfly, and this is a Shaolin bag according to this dust bag. And let's do this, guys. I will show you the features of this big bag. Okay, so number one that I really like is the size of it, because as you can see, it's very big. It's very ideal for hiking. Well, you can use it to put some of your large item here. See the features of this one? This one is very large, and also it's very padded. Well, whatever you can put here is very protected. For example, you can put your laptop here and it will be securely safe because it's padded here and inside and outside too. This one. And the other one, the features of this one is a lot of pockets. You can put your iPad here at the back. This one. This one. And another one here. Okay, so it's all fully padded. And the other thing is when you're about to put it in yourself, you can adjust the strap whenever you want it. So like this. Yes. Okay. So this one. And this bag is very ideal too for camping. If ever you want to bring a lot of things in your bag, this one you can use. So I can say it's perfect whenever you go outdoor. And inside of this bag is it has a small pocket that you can store some of your charger. And also you can put some safety here because there's a safety like this one. You can use it too. And another safety packet from here at the side. So here. So overall, this bag has got many pockets, and this one you can adjust it whenever you feel like it, like adjusting the tightness of it. Time for me to put something in this bag. So I put the laptop, the big one, my MacBook, and it's so fit. So I tried to put my laptop here, and it's in right size of this bag. See? Also my tumbler, like drinking bottle. So if ever you want to go on a camping, you can try this bag. So sturdy, neatly. Okay. Upon examining this bag, guys, I noticed that the stitches is very good too. This one, and it's very neatly stitched, so I can say it's very good quality. Must have this bag whenever you go out for a hiking. And the large capacity of it is very good. You can put things just I told before. This one, and water resistant because of the quality. This one. And here they got also the name of the company here, Waterfly here. One thing about I like this bag is got a lot of compartments that you can put from inside and outside. Outside is there's, I never noticed it just now, there's another zipper here that you can put your items here. See? So this one is the compartment from the outside. And another small pack is you can put here. It's either you can put your cell phone here. Here. Example, this one. Here. So it fit your cell phone here on this outside pocket. And it's fairly secure because this one is very padded. And also a touch here. Another padding here. And they got their company embroidered here. So Shaolin. So if ever you want this bag, I will put the link in the description box and feel free to browse their bags. So what can I say on this bag, guys? I can say it's very good. It's very neatly when you put your items here, and it's very secure, and it's got a large capacity if you put something inside. which is I really like because whenever I go out I can use this bag. This one. And the stitching, I really like it because it's good quality. See this one? See, also the material inside. So overall rating on this product, I can say 10 out of 10. This one. So this is the way how it looks. You can buckle the belt here if you want to, if you feel like it. And you can adjust the strap here. This one, for me, I adjust it because I want it a little low. And this one. And you can put your phone here. So it's all in safe place, guys. So like this. Okay. And my laptop is here. So if you're gonna ask me my rating on this product, I like it very much. So I would say 10 out of 10. And number one that I can say is if you order this one, it comes in a dust bag. That is very good because it can protect your bag from any damages. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or add something. To my future amigos and amigas, to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be notified. Bye!